like, we're always having trouble with stuff at our feet at night, like shoes and maybe a jacket or other stuff that you don't want down by your feet. So I designed a new shelf. You can stay up out of the way if you don't want to use it. Could actually put some storage underneath, but you get this latch I made and you just flip it down. Boom! What do you think? All the way across. You can set your laptop up there if you want to watch TV or something, or watch a movie. And then when you're getting in and out or whatever and you don't want it in your way, you just flip it up here and put the latch down. Boom. Beauty. Good to go. Can't wait to try this out next week, but we'll try it out. Turn this lever and then just boom. You can put a mechanical stop so it can't go much farther. Hang on, let me show you here. I designed these brackets so it stops. This slot here, so it's not going to come apart. And I used the existing holes for our pouch thing that was up there. This here latch. Yeah, there you go.